Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Anissa Nurul Afifah from class 19 2A01. Today I want to explain about the computer and hardware. The first is computer. What is computer? As we know, computers are very often used during lectures. A computer is an electronic device that can be programmed, is process data and produce specific outputs, instruction that tell it what to do. Computers come in all shape and size, from the one on your desk to the one in your pocket. Modern digital devices use hardware like the circuits. Next to hardware component. 1. Memory. Memory enables a computing device to store, at least temporarily, data and programs. Next, mass storage device. This allows a device permanently large amounts of data. Device include SSD, and solid state drive, disk drive, and tape drive. 3. Input device, usually a keyboard and mouse. Next, output device. An output device is a display screen, printer, and other device that. Next is central processing unit or CPU. CPU, the heart of the computer. This is the component that actually executes instruction. Next, a motherboard. This component allows all of the other components to communicate with one another. Next is part of a computer. A computing device or main component. A CPU, a graphic process unit, GPU, random access memory or RAM, and either a solid state drive or SSD, or a hard disk drive. These components are connected to a motherboard. Typically, the GPU and GPU comprise the computer's chipset. Memory and storage components are generally easier to modify or replace than chipset. The graphical user interface is another essential element of modern computing device. At its core, a computer's job to process data and produce a given output based on intermediary programs. The system allows you to type on your keyboard and see letters appear on the screen, or tap on your phone and have apps open up. Hardware versus software. Hardware refers to the physical component of a computer. This includes things like the central processing unit, memory, storage, and peripherals. The CPU is like the computer brain. Its job is to process data like instruction and perform calculation. And software is a generic term used to refer to application, script, and programs that run on a device. It can be thought of as the variable part of a computer, while hardware is the invariable part. The two main categories of software and application software and system software. Next is computer program. A program is simply a set of instructions written in a language the computer can understand. This instruction could be as basic as adding two numbers, or as complete running an Operating system. Programs allow users to interact with the computer meaningfully, whether browsing the web, playing games, or editing photo. Next, operating system. An operating system is a special type of program that manages the computer resource and provides a user-friendly interface. Popular operating system include Popular operating system include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and you will likely find your personal computer with one of these. Each operating system allows you to run applications, manage files, and connect to the internet. Without an OS, your computer would just be a collection of hardware with no way to communicate with you, the user. Different type of computer come in many shapes and size. Each type has strength and weakness depending on this purpose. Computers generally fall into the following categories: 1. Microcomputers, IA, and personal computers. 2. Mini computers. 3. Mainframe computers. 4. Supercomputers. 5. Workstation computers. And 6. Servers. Next to the hardware. Computer hardware is a collective term used to describe any of the physical components of an analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguishes the tangible aspect of a computing device from software. Next to internal computer hardware components. A computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to process data and produce specific outputs. It can respond to a specific set of instructions in a well-defined manner and execute programs, which are sequences of instructions that tell it what to do. Computers come in all shapes and size, from the one on your desk to the one in your pocket. Modern digital devices as hardware like the circuits, microchips, and wiring. Motherboard. This is a printed circuit board that holds the central process unit and other essential internal hardware and function as the central hub that all other hardware components root to. CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that processes and executes digital instructions from various programs. RAM. RAM or dynamic RAM is the temporary memory storage that makes information immediately accessible to programs. RAM is volatile memory. Hard drive. Hard disk drive are physical storage devices that store both permanent and temporary data in different formats, include programs, USS, device files, photos, etc. Solid-state drive. SSDs are solid-state storage devices based on NAND flash memory technology. SSDs are non-volatile, so they can safely store data even when the computer is powered down. Next, optical drive. Optical drive typically reside in an on-device drive bay. They enable the computer to read and interact with non-magnetic internal media. Heatsink. This is a piece of hardware that draws heat away from component to regulate or reduce their temperature to help ensure they continue to function properly. Next, graphics processing unit. This chip-based device processes graphical data and often functions as an extension to the main CPU. Next, network interface card. NIC is a circuit board of chip that enable the computer to connect to a network. Next, mouse is a handheld pointing device that moves a cursor around a computer screen and enable interaction with objects on the screen. Keyboard is an input device featuring a standard QWERTY keyset that enables users to input text, number, and special characters. Microphone is a device that translates sound waves into electrical signal and support computer-based audio communication. A camera captures visual images and stream them to the computer or talk a computer to a network device. Next, touchpad. A touchpad is an input device internal or built into a laptop. USB flash drive. A USB flash drive is an external removable storage device that uses memory and interface with a computer to a USB port. Memory card. A memory card is a type of portable external storage media. Next is monitor. A monitor is an output device similar to a TV screen that displays information, documents, or images generated by the computing device. Printers render electronic data from a computer into printed material. A speaker is an external audio output device that connects to a computer to generate a sound output. Headphones, earphones, earbuds similar to a speaker. These devices provide audio output that's audible only to a single listener. Thanks for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.